sunset fades away, streetlights start to blaze, a turntable corner cafe as evening fades to gray. Red brick alleyways winding like a maze. These memories rewind, replay, and I am far away. He said to me that one day,
I and you, we bless the two of you who bring us together through your union. We acknowledge all the years that you have lived to this point and all that you have created. We join with all those who could not be here to wish you long life, great happiness, and much prosperity. Bye. Do you come before this gathering to proclaim your love and devotion for you? Do you promise to affirm her, respect her, and care for her during times of joy and hardship? Do you commit yourself to share your life together with her? I do. And you? Do you come before this gathering to proclaim your love and devotion for Bai? Do you promise to affirm him, respect him, and care for him, to share your life together with him?